Hey guys, what's going on? This is part one of me and my brother's Airsoft collection. So we're going to start off with this pistol. This is a Craftsman Taurus. That's all I know. I got this from my friend. He gave it broken saying, "Oh, can you fix this?" And I was like, "Sure." And that's how I got it. This thing's still currently not working. I didn't bother getting into it, and I guess I just like it how the display. Next pistol I have is the Craftsman Air Mag C11. This is one of my first ever pistols I had since I began Airsoft. This thing was pretty good back then, but now, it's not currently working. Don't have a mag for it, and no CO2. Yeah, I got this thing for about $40 at Dick's Sporting Goods. Next gun is the APS UAR, my assault rifle. Very fantastic. Attachments are my suppressor or silencer I got from a P90 Terminator kit. And then I got a foregrip. I'm not sure where I got this from. I just found it in my box, and I was like, "Oh, I should pick this up." And I do have a GMP LED flashlight. Pretty bright. I can see through dark rooms in my local airsoft field. Then I have a sling I got from my airsoft place as well. And then I got a patch I just attached on there. Something cool like that. I got this thing from e-bike for about $205. So yeah. Next, we have the GMP M14 SOCOM. This thing's pretty good, except it breaks. Like this plastic. It's not very well.
Heat shield.
Yeah, no, I'm saying the plastic on this, like the gun. And then, except for the OD and the tan models, actually have that polymer versus this that has this like weird ABS glazed stuff. I don't know. It was really weird. Yeah. I did put a Garter 6.02 590mm inner barrel in this. It's currently not working. I'm trying to get this thing fixed.
I think it was 509.
500, no, it's 590.
Oh, is it?
Okay. Yeah. And then, so yeah. But rather than that, it's a very nice rifle. It's got some insane rate of fire. And yeah. So, I got this from e-bike for about $300. And then we move to one of my favorite rifles. The JG G36 RIS. This thing is basically my primary. I kind of got this in like a month ago. And it's very, very nice. Attachments I have on this is the AIM ACOG with red and green dye. And then I have a UK Arms C-Mag for the G36 models with a pressure switch which automatically winds. Then I have an AIM polymer foregrip with a metal weight on the bottom. And then I have a Kenon's RAS unit. Very nice rail system. Came with the gun. Then you have a silencer I just got on my local airsoft place, Tactical Response Unleashed. Very nice airsoft field. And then I have my NC Star bipod with spring tension right here. So every time you grab it, it releases like that. And also extends. Like so. Yep. So that's the G36. I got this from my friend for a trade for my pistol. And I did my research and I found this to be $200 on Airsoft. It's the only website I could really find this on. And then the last gun for my part of the collection is the KJW M700 Breakdown. This thing was pretty nice. I got the magazines I got with it were broken because I got it for a trade. But I fixed one of them, but the one of them I cannot fix. Scope, I have a center point 3 through 9 by 32 magnified scope. Kind of like the ones you get at Walmart. And then this is the little base part for the NC Star bipod. It's got some very nice plastic and metal parts to it. The gas bolt action sniper rifle. Yeah. I got this from a trade, and I found this online to be about $250 or more. I can't remember.
Less. It's like $215-ish.
Yeah, whatever. So yeah, that was my part of the collection. Now over to my brother Dylan.